What if you're about to sneeze? Sneezing is normal, perfectly natural, and unpredictable. But sneezing the right way can mean the difference between making a new friend and making an enemy. If you're in the middle of a conversation and you like the other person, sneezing directly and forcefully into their face is a sign of respect. If someone sneezes on you, wiping it off is insulting and even hostile. It's best to go with the flow and continue on with the conversation. There, now you've got it. Be sure to tune in next time for our segment on automobiles.